Hello everybody and welcome to another R&R Partners video. Today we are going to answer the question, how do I legally withdraw money from my Romanian company? If you are new to the channel and you are interested either to emigrate to Romania or to open a company in Romania, please consider subscribing to our channel as we post new content each and every other week. So after opening a Romanian company, most probably you already arrived to Romania, you got your residency permit, you started working with your Romanian company and you started having clients, your company will start having profits. So the next legal question would be, how do I get that money out of the company and get it under my name as personal gains? According to the Romanian law, the money, the profits from the company that you withdraw are called dividends. Therefore, the correct way of taking money out of the company would be by taking out dividends. According to the Romanian law, you cannot withdraw dividends whenever you like. There are strict terms and conditions when and how dividends are handed out. In the past, a few years ago, you could take out dividends from the company only at the end of each fiscal year. So you needed to wait a full year until you could get that money out of the company and claim back as your dividends. However, a few years ago, the laws changed. Now you can take out dividends 4 times per year. That means that basically you could claim the profits from the company as dividends each and every 3 months. Do note that not all the money, all the profits from the company are your money. According to the law, the company shall retain 5% of the profits and send it to the Romanian state as a dividend tax. Therefore, you will not be receiving the full profits from the company, but only 95% of the profits. The rest, as mentioned earlier, are taxes and are sent by the company to the Romanian state. I know this is quite a technical information, and if you're at this point for the first time and you do not know how to proceed or what are the implications, you can always book a consultation with our firm and we can give you tailored advice of how you can proceed through this period and have no problems with the tax authority. Even though now it's much simpler to get money out of the company, we also know that there could be some particular situation in which you can be in need to get more money out of the company. Respectively, I don't know, you have a personal problem, most of the money are stuck in the company, and you need to get that money to your personal account and get the personal problem solved with the money from the company. Therefore, what would you do in this situation? What is the right legal solution in order to get that money in your bank account and use it for personal needs? If you are in this situation, here are a few examples in which you could get out money of the company and everything to be perfectly legal and fine. The first would be to reimburse the loans you made to the company. First, when the company is incorporated, the company does not have any money. Usually, the expenses for the incorporation is made by the shareholders or the sole shareholder. Therefore, at any point in time, the company can't reimburse the expenses that the shareholder made for the company is incorporation. In this situation, I'm thinking about the trade registry expenses, the expenses for setting up the company, and any other expenses that are made for the business purposes by one of the shareholders. The second option would be to sell personal assets to the company. There are some particular times when the company uses the assets of the shareholder in order to perform day-to-day business. For example, when the company is incorporated, it does not have a laptop, and maybe everything you do is consulting from afar, your clients. So you use your personal laptop. That laptop can be sold to the company at a right market value, and the company would benefit and will do the business with its own assets. The third way in which you could get out legally money out of the company would be if, for example, the company has the headquarters at your own place. Technically, you're giving a service to the company, and you could have a rental agreement between you and the company in order for the company to use your headquarters. This is not quite a straightforward situation and means that you would be submitting tax declaration each and every year, and you would also be paying a 6% tax for all the income that you get through the rental agreement. Fourth would be to become the employee of the company. However, this is not the best solution for you because the Romanian tax authority will ask for roughly 41% of the gross salary to be paid to the Romanian state. Therefore, you should check if this is the best option for you, and moreover, you should check if your residency permit allows you to be hired in Romania and have a job in Romania. There are some particular situations in which you cannot be hired even though you have a residency permit for Romania. The purpose of that residency permit does not allow you to incorporate a company in Romania and get your work agreement legally signed. If you found this content useful, we would really appreciate it if you hit the like button, as it helps out this channel out and also helps out other expats who are probably searching about dividends, how to get money from the company, or other similar information about the Romanian taxes in general. So thank you for taking your time to watch the video until the very end, and until next time, you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and you can be up to date with our activity. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.